Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. The workplace is a magnet for clutter and mess. Who hasn't felt drained by wasteful meetings, disorganized papers, endless emails, and unnecessary tasks? These are the modern-day hazards of working, and they can slowly drain the joy from work, limit our chances of career progress, and undermine our well-being. The authors offer stories, studies, and strategies to help you eliminate clutter and make space for work that really matters. They will help you overcome the challenges of workplace mess and enjoy the productivity, success, and happiness that comes with a tidy desk and mind. Big thank you to Little, Brown & Company for the ARC. Marie Kondo again writes a wholly accessible and applicable self-help book. Despite being a college student not yet in the professional scene, I still found the advice and tips helpful, especially within the realm of digital tidying up. I am someone who considers herself a bit like Marie, in that we both enjoy keeping only what, in my case, think, we need. This book helped me see that while yes, I may be able to find all my things rather quickly, I am still debilitating myself by holding on to everything. A very easy to read and giftable book that is sure to help everyone in some way.